Okay, all the Samsung Z Fold users, come closer. I have something for you. We have the latest news on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. You know, we've been hearing a lot of rumor about this phone. So please don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about this phone is about the design. Okay, this phone, according to the report we are getting, is going to have a massive camera upgrade. So they are going to upgrade the camera. And another news that we are hearing is that it's going to be very slim. It's going to be very slim compared to other foldable phones that is out there. And I don't want to mention name of some incredibly foldable phones that are in market right now. But according to the rumor, they say this phone is going to be very slim, that is going to be less than 10 millimeter. That means it's going to be almost the same size with that of your Type-C charger. So that is the first thing. And we also heard that it's going to have 6.5 inches cover screen display. Okay, so at the cover screen is going to have 6.5 inches. Then the inner screen is going to have 8 inches and it's going to be AMOLED display, which is going to be also something, good if you are someone that, enjoy having big screen when you are operating your device. So, and we also heard that the hinge is going to be a little bit smoother. It's not going to be as as visible as it used to be with the Z Fold 6. So, and we heard that the screen brightness now is going to hit up to 2600 nits. That means you will not have issue operating it even under the sun. So, and which this is not an upgrade, the refresh rate is still going to retain the 120 hertz refresh rate. And we are also hearing that the fingerprint sensor is going to be a little bit faster, unlike before. So I'm going to make a video where I'll be testing the Z Fold 6 so that you can understand some of this upgrade that Samsung is bringing. So we also heard that the chipset is going to be Snapdragon chip. Okay, but now they say it's going to be 8.9 Elite. Some rumors say it's going to be 8.6 Elite chipset. So we don't know why. Some also say that it's going to be, Samsung owns chipset, the Exynos chipset, and it's going to be 2500 Exynos chipset. So let's see if whichever one it comes with, it's going to be a massive upgrade. Then another thing that we hear is that it's going to come with 12 gigabytes of RAM as the standard, and it's going to have option for you to upgrade it even up to 1 terabyte of storage. So that is also a big development in this. I also heard that it's going to have a very large vapor chamber this time to keep it cool, and a better speaker. So this, but the issue now is that according to the report, it's not going to have S Pen. So I don't know what a foldable without an S Pen, what it will look like, but according to what we are hearing, they say it's not going to have S Pen. So that is it about the design and everything. But now when we talk about the camera they say is going to have 200 megapixel main sensor, which is absolutely massive. 200 megapixel main sensor is huge for me. And we also heard that it's going to have 50 megapixel for the selfie camera. Then we are going to have the 12 megapixel sensor for the ultra wide and 10 megapixel sensor for the telephoto. So which is going to help us to, of course, capture, images in low light quality area and have a very good night videographing and even pictures. So I think in the camera department, we don't have issue because we are even expecting Samsung to bring something like this. Then another thing we want to talk about is the AI. We know that Galaxy AI has been the highest so far. So it's going to include a lot of AI features. Like we are also going to have something like a generative AI. And we are also going to, according to reports about this camera, we hear that you will be able to record in 8K. Do you know what is 8K? To have you record your videos in 8K. It's going to be massive. So it's going to push a lot of other companies, to to how will I put it? It's going to push them that they will, if the, the competition is going to be massive. Not saying, this is how I feel about it. Then another thing is about the software. It's going to come with Android 15 and with One UI 7. And of course, the Samsung is going to release this device in July or August 2025. So we also hear that the battery is going to be the same with that of Z46 because it's 4,400 milliamp hour of battery. So I envision this when they say that it's going to be very, very slim. So most times it affects, the battery capacity. And the battery is going to come with 45, wired charging. So 45-watt wired charging. The battery is going to come. So there will not be big capacity in the in the bumper or anything, but these are the major changes that you are going to see in the next coming foldable phone from Samsung. So the price, according to the report you are getting, the price is still going to be around $1,899. So $1,899, and some say it's going to be up to $2,000. I think it will worth it if we have all these new features added to the foldable phone. Of course, it's going to have it. So that means you have to be comparing your foldable phones with your Samsung tablets, but tablet is still here. I can never replace my tablet with Samsung Z Fold, not at all. So I don't know how you feel about all these changes that is coming up on this phone. If you think it's something that you are going to try, please leave a comment on the comment section. So let me hear if truly this deserving an upgrade, or we should just stick to the one we have already. See you in my next video. Peace out.